Alright, this is a 1971 Monte Carlo. It's unfortunate due to my dad's early passing. I got this, just drove it home after it's been sitting about 3 or 4 years. Surprisingly it fired up. Did break a belt on the way over here, but another vehicle I have, it just needs some work. Not sure if the odometer rolled over or not. It's showing either 65,000 or 165. But this thing's been sitting for a long time. Last on the road in the 90s, mid-90s, I believe. Actually, I put that dent on the door when I was about 12 years old with a runner sled. That would have been back in 93, 94. 1192, last time she was on the road.